What's up everyone, welcome back to Aquascape. Today I'm going to do an aquascape for an arowana tank. It will be a very challenging tank. Just see this. When I say challenging, not because it's an aquascape for arowana, it's challenging for me because the client requested the animal should be there inside the aquarium. So that means I have to work around this 20-inch gigantic golden arowana. Now come with me and I will show you how I scaped this beautiful aquascape tank for our golden gigantic arowana. I have selected some nice wood and rocks, which is good to cover an area of 1.5 meters into the aquarium. Now let's go inside of the house and let me introduce you to our arowana. The aquarium is ready with 50% of the water drained out. I will be using a 3D background. Before I start cutting it, I'm making sure it's clean. I cut out the foam board to fix accurate to the back of the aquarium. As you can see in the video, the 3D background is in the aquarium. Now I prepare the hardscape with gluing some plants on the wood and rocks, which is going to go straight inside the aquarium. This is how the finished aquarium looks like. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. This is Ismail from aquascape.ae.